Hey guys!
Hello, everyone.
Tuesday Newsday.
Tuesday Newsday, as my dad does.
I know, we need to learn the song.
Yeah, he needs to teach us.
I know. Maybe we'll just have to do a whole video of this song.
We can record the jingle, you know.
Yes.
It's so fun.
I'm here with Misty. We've got some fun stuff.
Yeah.
So what have you been working on recently?
Absolutely. Well, we just moved to our new studio space, and which is very exciting. We're super pumped about it, but it is just a mess right now. Just a mess.
It just happens that way.
Yes.
And you don't expect it because you're so excited, and then all of a sudden it's like,
I know. And I'm like going through everything, and I'm like, where did all this junk come from?
Yes.
You know.
Yep.
So that's the big task right now. I just finished filming some new tutorials, so that was great. But yeah, we have some fun things to share. A little bit of Christmas inspiration.
Yes.
So as you guys may or may not know, I got to film with Craig Conover from Sewing Down South. He invited us to go out to Charleston to his place.
That's awesome. I've never made it down there.
Oh, it's a
but I've
beautiful
always
part of
wanted
the country.
to.
Yeah,
So.
absolutely gorgeous. And so we filmed a few things together last year, and then he kind of caught the quilting bug, and he designed some fabric. So this is like his second or third fabric collection, I think, something like that now. And this one is so cool because it is like all these Nutcracker motifs. Let me make sure you guys can see this.
So cute.
They're so cute. And so yesterday, our latest tutorial on YouTube, he and I made these super fun stockings. And so they are using his fabrics. And there's a Nutcracker stripe that we used for the cuff.
Oh, cute.
So really fun. And these are so quick to make, like really fast and easy. So if you need to make some stockings, now's the time to get started.
I've always wanted to try, so
well,
I guess I'm gonna have to do it.
I've got you. We can do it together.
I love it.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's about that time of year when like, I know we talk about like in Christmas in July and like get started on your Christmas projects and things. I never start when I need to. And I feel like this is about the time where I'm like, okay, I really, really need to start. I still usually put it off, but I really need to start.
I was gonna say, I try to at least start planning so that then I have an idea of what I'm trying to work on in the long run, but I am a notorious, like, nothing like a deadline to make me get something done.
Yes, the procrastination, I'm so good at that.
Yeah.
So good.
I know, just because there's always something else that's fun to do, you know? So anyway, I just thought we would show off a little bit of these fabrics. We got this stack of fat quarters. They're all so cute.
They're beautiful. And this is a whole panel.
Yes, and so if you're not familiar with Sewing Down South, Craig kind of got his start during the pandemic. He started making pillows because he loved to sew. And so this is a pillow panel. So for those of us who also like to sew.
But it's a double.
Yeah, we can make our own Sewing Down South pillows. So really, really fun.
I'm obsessed.
They're so cute.
And who doesn't love a Nutcracker?
Timeless Christmas
Seriously,
classic, you know?
it's so good.
Yeah, I agree. Very, very fun.
Good.
What else have you been up to? Have you made any new projects or anything?
I haven't been working on a ton of projects, like sewing projects recently. Mostly my project has been like moving into my house.
I was gonna say new house.
So that's been a little bit crazy. So I kind of understand a little bit the studio craziness.
Yes.
Where like you're so excited and then you get everything in there and you're like, how did I accumulate so much stuff?
Right. It's like a paralyzing sense of overwhelm for a moment.
Yes. Yeah. So like that's kind of where I'm at right now, and then just kind of, you know, bopping around little things here and there. But
good. Same. That's all we can do. And so besides that, we leave in less than a week.
Oh my gosh, I was going to ask you, when do you guys leave?
Yeah, less than a week. We take my oldest son. He's attending university in England for the next few years.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah.
I'm so excited for him, but I'm also so sad because I'm going to miss him so much.
I know. Me too, girlfriend.
It's crazy, but it's going to be good.
He's such a good boy.
For
those of you who have come to town, maybe you've met Gideon when he worked in the shop. So we're super excited.
He's the best.
He'll be, venturing across the pond for the next few years for school. And that's just so days away now, which is wild.
I know. That's crazy. I cannot believe it came so fast.
I know. Tell me about it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm holding it together okay right now, but I cry at least once a day.
Understandably, like, yes.
Yeah. It's
totally, yes.
And because this is our first kiddo who's really kind of flying the nest, we're taking the whole family over there to move him in and making a big family vacation out of it.
That will be really fun,
It's going to
though.
be super fun.
Help make those, like, have those memories too. But then you'll be familiar a little bit of where he is and all the things that he'll
we'll
get
have
to
a
do
frame
and
of
see.
reference of his world. So
That's gonna be so fun.
So that's my biggest thing right now is making sure he has everything he needs.
Yep.
And that we can go and get him settled in his new flat. He gets to call it a flat over there, you know.
I love it.
Not
But
a
you're
regular
gonna have
apartment.
to send me all the pictures and
we
all the
will.
things
We will, for sure.
because I'm gonna want to see it all.
So send him all of your well wishes for those
yeah.
of you that know Gideon. He will love to see that. That will make his day. So
So sweet. But
yeah.
pretty much I think that's it.
Okay.
So if you haven't seen the tutorial yesterday, definitely check that out.
Absolutely.
It's so fun. And I think I might have to do it too. So
Yes.
I'm right there with you if you haven't seen it. Let's go together and make some things.
Yeah, check it out. Make some cute little stockings.
Let's do it.
And you guys have a wonderful week.
Love you.
See ya.